Okay. Hi guys, Fred Tittenser with Valley Implement. I'm going to talk today just a little bit about our new solid rubber wheel tire that we've been putting on a lot of our balers. We started doing this a couple of years ago, but if you look at this baler tire, it has been one that you cannot order from the factory this way, but it is solid rubber. We have this kind with the ribs on it. We also have them available with smooth, but they've done a wonderful job for us. If you come over here and look at some of these balers, a lot of these, when guys are turning, are just having them go flat on them. We've known that for years. And then if you look over at this baler, a lot of guys went in years ago and said, well, we'll fill it with foam or we'll fill it with gunk, and you can clearly see that didn't work either. But once we started putting these on, we had tremendous success. That's a solid piece of rubber on there. We have them in smoothed or ribbed. Our shop can press those on for you. So if you bring us in the hub, we can press that in for you. They work wonderful. They're available in all of our stores: Grace, Idaho, Preston, Idaho, Logan, Utah, and Tremont, Utah. Just encourage you to do a little homework. Ask our parts representatives about these. We're happy to help. Thank you so much.